Ashley.
Hey.
You what?
So crazy in here.
Oh.
This thing is so heavy. Nice and satiny. I guess today is the day a bunch of mail comes, right, Rocky? Audrey, you excited? Give me a paw if you're excited. Me too. These are extra no charge. What the heck? Where's your paw? Where's your paw?
Goodbye.
Brings us our fabric and our... I want it to be paperless. I mean, plasticless. So for those new pins that I got, they're gonna be going in this little envelope. Cute, right? Okay, so that was a crazy mail day. Fabric, a little white envelope. Man, you too tight yet. Sit down. Hi, Cindy. Look at all this madness. 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 All this madness.
Hello.
So why'd you take it?
Hectic times. Putting that shelf back here and moving this over. It's crazy in here. Cindy is a builder.
Hello.
German, Catholic,
You're gonna make fun of me.
No, they won't.
My building skills.
Look at this craziness out here. packages from today. Look at them. Packages. Scrunchies. Oh. Ba làm gì vậy? Ba làm gì vậy?
Làm sorry out bên em là bưu điện cho nó dễ.
Cái này là Mỹ, and then cái đó Canada.
Mỹ đây nè, Mỹ.
Oh.
Canada, còn này blue màu nhỏ same size mà để chung. Để cho easy cho nó happy.
So crazy in here.
How many is this? Do you know?
I think it's 20 or 16. So that shelf is going right here, and I gotta make room for it. Ow. I love how the tag is still dangling off. I love it. Tory is organizing. Look at all this chaos. Hi, Ashley.
Hey, how's it going?
Whoa, can't even fit back here. Ashley's cutting these labels. Look at that. I'm so excited. There's actually so much stuff. It's okay. It's a vlog.
Will this bother you?
No. Does it bother you?
No, I'll send them over.
It's crazy. This looks so good. That looks so good too.
Pleased with it.
Gorgeous. P.S. This sticker machine changed my life. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Even the freaking stamps. Just got it from Amazon. I also just reorganized this shelf. It's for all my stickers, so I just need to finish labeling them. Fun. Even the stickers up here. All the different color scrunchies. Stickers. Right, it looks so much better now. Because when I was packaging with the team, Tori was standing here and it was like so unorganized here. But look how much better it looks. Love. I still have a lot to go and a lot to do, but yeah, I thought I would show you guys. And I just got these from Amazon. Okay, it's Valentine's Day. We just finished packaging. Well, I still have a lot of orders to still finish. But Tory and Ashley just left and they just finished organizing everything, so I'm gonna give you a better tour. It looks so cute. Okay, let's go. Okay, first of all, we just packaged all these. Took us so long because we all haven't packaged together in a while, but this is like maybe 100 orders and I still have like 20 to go. Look at, oh my god. These are all our sweatpants, aka these, the Jairus joggers. Ew, get that thread off there. So organized. It was crazy before. Not that crazy, but then this, I need to move this stuff out of the way so it can do it justice. Tory. And it's so dark. Okay, this room is insane. I need to clean that later, but flannel shirts are all here, are like red flannel shirts. Look how good that looks. Oh my god. And then this still needs to get organized. It's gonna be the hoodie wall. All the hoodies. This is the crew neck wall. And this is the entire freaking scrunchie wall. All scrunchies. We just packaged, so some of the cubes are empty now, but look at the little labels for when I always package, but now when I have new packagers who package without me, like Tory and Ashley want to package without me, they can easily identify the scrunchie. They don't memorize it like me yet. How good does this look? Freaking out. This wall is just for minis, aka the smaller scrunchie. So this is a mini. This is an XXL. So you see the size difference. This is like 4 times bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. So yeah, love it. I love how it's organized now. Love how it's organized now. We're all so tired from just packaging. Look how cute this looks. Like, I'm obsessed. Yeah, my knees just cracked. Every bin has a scrunchie. Soon when I get more scrunchies, each bin will have to have like 2 together, but yeah. This is it. Hope you guys like it. I gotta go finish packaging now. Bye. Also, next up, the next collection. Let me flip this around. Oh, this is fun. Okay, I look so messy right now. Okay, so the next collection is the St. Patrick's Day collection, and I'm gonna do a try on. I have some if you want to see. I have this one, the Precious. It's named after someone's daughter, and they commented on my last video. I told you I would name them after people if you left your name and a comment and your favorite colors. So this is a Precious. Look how cute it is. This looks so cute right now. Okay, so next week, Tuesday I think, I'm gonna try on all the St. Patrick's Day colors, and then they're gonna be releasing the end of February, so the last weekend of February they'll be launching. But I'll do a try on video before so you can see them all again and explain all the names. But I hope you liked this video. It was just like a week vlog, I guess. Just me doing things, because I don't know, it's fun posting videos weekly, right? Let me know. Bye, XXL fam.